This is so random. Jill's cutting my hair. Jill actually said, let's take out the camera. She's shaping me up. I'll show you before pictures. They're a little crusty, but don't make fun of me, okay? She's doing a dry cut. And so far, these are the little curls that she cut off. They're so cute. All right, bad lighting. Might be bad lighting, but
no, it's fine.
We'll see what it looks like.
So right now, I'm just giving Kelly some layers. Like as you can see on the side, we kind of started a little bit. I'm gonna end up folding it out a little bit more. And then I'm gonna fix the front. I was just explaining to Kelly that the reason why we don't wanna separate the curls too much when we're cutting them is because when they naturally wash, they're gonna form back into the curls that they were. So separating them, you know, only creates different cuts, so then that way when a curl bonds together, then some parts will be short and some parts will be long, and that's because you separated it. So by keeping the curls together, it'll keep the entire curl uniform and tight, and that way you won't get split ends or end knots. Kelly, when's the last time you got your DEVACUT?
It was a year ago. A year ago, and the last time that you cut my hair, I'm just moving you over. Oh, yeah. The last time that you cut my hair was like January of last year or so.
Really?
Yeah. It wasn't that long ago. But then I bleached my hair, and that's when I messed up her haircut. It was perfect. And then I said, while I'm at Diva Curl, why don't I just get the cut and color, because I know since the bleach, let me just get the whole package, you know, while I go there. But if you haven't checked out, Jill cut my hair last year wet. So if you want to check out that video, I'm gonna put it somewhere down. I'll just put it in the description box so that you guys can see that video. And she nailed it. So this is her dry cut. She started working on this side, but yeah, so she's just shaping me up. I was gonna go back to Diva, but I needed like a very light dust. It's not like I needed a new I guess a little shape, like right here, like a little fix, but
you need a really light layers.
Let me just do it. And I trust Jill because Jill taught me so much about curly hair. That's why
my journey is Kelly's journey. Everything that Kelly has done, I have done.
Yeah, that's why I just, what do you do? Okay, I'm gonna try it.
I'm pretty sure Kelly's gonna, actually no, Kelly dyed her hair before me, so I guess I copied dye from you.
She just dyed her hair, and it is like one of the best decisions she did.
So now we're twins, Kel.
Oh. Am I distracting you?
No, you're okay.
Okay. And this, by the way, this is day one hair. I used Mixed Chicks in it. This side was very short because I tried cutting it myself like 6 months ago. I don't know why I do this to myself.
Just call me Kelly.
Just stay away.
Just call me, please. But
this side's longer and heavier.
As you can see, like with the top, I'm cutting shorter layers. Like don't be afraid to go shorter at the top because it's really not going to affect your length that much. If anything, it's gonna really full out the shape. So instead of having, you know, the trapezoid cut, which we all know, okay? Yeah. Shorter layers at the top make your hair look fuller. So if you start with shorter and you go slightly longer, maybe like about 1 inch apart, then you're gonna have that nice fullness that everybody wants. Everybody wants a circle, not a trapezoid. Okay?
Yeah. And again, she's still cutting curl by curl. Like it's the same thing.
A lot of the wet cuts, they're more so based for straight hair. So by doing curl by curl, you start to get more of the effects of like the wash and go and how it sets itself and things like that. And on top of that, certain curls, they end up falling looser or they may curl tighter. So you just have to be aware of like what's, you know, falling and then just snip it. Not that hard.
And by the way, just so you know, it is, sorry Jill.
Yeah.
It's 12:14 right now. 12:14 a.m., not p.m.
These are those midnight shenanigans.
Yeah, I text her like, I'm about to set an appointment. She's like, do you want me to do it?
Well, I mean, listen, for like Diva, like they're
the price
at so many things. You know,
so good. It's just
so much.
It's just a lot.
But to constantly go, listen, I'm balling on a budget, which is why everything I do is on my own. Which
is cool. Like you should learn how to do it on your own so that you could save money, you could learn, you could do someone else's hair. Hello, hint. But like, so it makes complete sense for you to learn, do your research. I know I read books.
People, I feel like they psych themselves out when they cut their hair because they don't want to do the wrong thing because they know that it's gonna take forever to grow back.
Yeah,
if you just do
a
little bit. So pretty much you just shake out the curls just to see like how they would fall. See this one? This one little.
Oh, and use hair scissors.
Yes. Yes.
I sadly don't own them.
Please do not, under like any circumstance, like use craft scissors or Crayola scissors or kitchen scissors.
IKEA scissors?
No. real scissors, real ones. Look, see? Well, I don't know if
Sharp.
this is focusing. It's really thin, like super thin scissor. Like it's specified for hair, okay? Because if you use the other scissors, your hair is gonna cut like a block, and you don't want that. So just get some hair scissors. They're like less than 20 bucks, okay? At this point, I'm just looking at Kelly face to face to really like shape it and make sure that it's all like even. So look at them, Kelly. This is how it looks, and then I'm gonna even it
so much
out.
better. But this needs to grow in my face.
These are definitely, these are tighter curls than over here.
Maybe looser. Alright, so we're done. My shape, look at the difference.
Now it's full.
Oh yeah, go Jill. This was the quickest video I think I've ever made. Oh yeah, oh it's blue over here. What a difference. This took like 20 minutes and I'm like a new person.
The dramatic cut. Touché.
Touché. Thanks so much, Jill. The quickest video I've ever made. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe.
And like.
And like, thumbs up, comment below. What's the quickest you've ever gotten a haircut? Alright, love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. This was a video that was all over the place. It was very spare of the moment, right,
Yes.
Jill? Alright guys, love you. We're gonna eat. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.